Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, we're starting to see some improvements. The skies are starting to brighten up, some rays of sun through the clouds, and the fog is starting to thin out too, as we see here in North Kingstown. We've got the makings of a warm, dry summer afternoon, though at the moment our live camera here in downtown Providence is still stuck in the clouds. Well, part of the reason is just that very humid air that's in place. The temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s, and that's very close to the dew point, which means the air is fairly saturated at the moment, and that's allowed for those low clouds and fog. But the dew points start to drop, and as they fall into the 50s this afternoon, you're going to find that the air is much more comfortable. We will continue to see more comfortable dew points all the way through the weekend and early next week. We're still tracking a little bit of rain along with the extra clouds and fog across southeastern Massachusetts, and Block Island still getting a couple of light showers and overcast skies too this morning. As far as the rainfall yesterday, highest totals stretch from the west and east bays into the Taunton area and parts of Plymouth too, where we picked up 1 to 2.5 inches of rain, or over 2 inches in parts of Taunton. Meanwhile, you didn't have to go too far to the north. Attleboro with less than 1/4 of an inch of rain. So really a tale of haves and have-nots with yesterday's downpours. A front that brought it is now pushing offshore. We get a second push of cool, dry air behind that, with this front coming through this evening and tonight. That's not going to bring any rainfall with it, but it will bring down our temperatures heading into the weekend. So we do have a warmer than normal day today, clearing skies through the rest of this morning, sunshine at lunchtime, about 81 at noon. Inland areas, coastline stays in the 70s today. Winds will turn to the south. They're light, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Lower to mid 70s in Charlestown and Narragansett, westerly as well. Tiverton, mid to upper 70s. Even Newport makes it into the middle 70s before the shift in the winds. 80 East Providence, and we're between 80 and 85 in West Warwick, Coventry and West Greenwich. Foster in the lower 80s. Situate today at 82. Again, with the lower humidity this afternoon, just a nice summer day. 83 in Attleboro, and in the upper 70s to lower 80s in Seekonk, Fall River, and New Bedford. On the bay, west winds make that turn to the south, staying light. Visibility is improving this morning. Still a little ways to go. Waves 2 to 3 feet in the bay today. High tide in the middle of the afternoon, right about 2 o'clock. For tonight, it'll be much more comfortable. We start off in the 70s, but the temperatures cool to the 50s by 5 o'clock in the morning. And tomorrow's looking dry and comfortable. Mostly sunny skies much of the day. Middle 70s for highs. On the bay, waves on Saturday around 2 feet. Winds are lighter than what we had last weekend. And on Sunday, it's a northeast and easterly wind that'll cool us down, but it is a light wind. In fact, we'll have a dry stretch of weather ahead over the next 7 days. We're warm today, then back below normal for highs on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, trending to those near normal highs by the middle and end of next week. And some of our computer models have us up close to 90 by next Friday. So